Hello guys and welcome. What I'm doing today is I'm making some berries on the balcony. So I wanted to save a bit of money. These, if you buy them, if you order from a company, it costs really a lot of money. So what I did is I bought some steel bars in a hardware store, and as you can see I'm actually making myself. So let me explain to you what I did so far. So as you can see I already put the tiles on, but before that I used a drill hammer and I actually placed those steel bars. I cemented them into the balcony, they are been actually hammer drilled inside. Then I put some cement over it together with some metal to make it sturdy, and now you can see it's ready. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and that's well, quite a job already. Then I put the tiles on, and now today I have actually welded some of the bars together. So as you can see, that needs finishing touches, and this is already welded on. So this is the weld I've made. It still needs to be polished, and well, I've actually done it in those places there and there. Now what I'm doing is I'm not welding the barriers anymore. I'm actually screwing them on, so making holes just like in here through the profile steel bars, and making another hole here and putting them on. So this is how it's gonna look, as you guys can see. And obviously the end effect I will show you. Now I can already show you because I've made some of the other ones down below on the terrace, on the porch. So that's how I'm making it. So as you guys can see, this side is ready. It's nicely and well measured. So just need to tighten the screws and paint them over, and it will be done. Now I need to take care of the longer sides. Already have the bars cut to size, and on the other side as well, the short ones. So that's the final effect I was talking about. So this is the ready thing on the porch, and that's how it looks when it's painted. So and this is made in a nice way, cheap way. Such barriers I made them myself, so you can see here, that's the ready bit. That's the final effect I will get on the balcony as well. Alright, the balcony is ready, guys. Check it out. It's been raining a bit, but it's done. And I've also managed to paint it before that. So Nice. And this one is also done.